everyone, this is Patty with It's Natural. Welcome. I'm going to be showing you an all-natural household cleanser that I use for my kitchen. So you'll need a container with a lid, spoon, lemon juice, baking soda, and a rag, and you can use a scouring pad if you want to. So here right now is my little container with a lid and a spoon, your baking soda, and I just put in a tablespoon measuring cup in the box since I use it so often, and leave it in my refrigerator, and then also the lemon juice. Now if you don't have lemon juice in the bottle, you can use fresh lemons for this. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Now it doesn't matter how much of the lemon juice that you use, it just is determined on how much you're going to use to clean. So if you have a larger surface, then add more lemon juice. But right now, I'm just putting in a half a cup, and I'm going to be probably using just a tablespoon for right now. And with the baking soda is like your scrubber for your surface. So it breaks up everything. So if you're going to be scrubbing a large surface, then you'll probably want to put more of the baking soda in there. And so I'm just mixing it up right now, and then I'm just getting my rag, and what I do is I just dip it in the container. Now you're welcome to use a spray bottle. You'll just have to make sure it's mixed so you'll get the baking soda in with it, but you just scrub it down and it's really easy, and wipe it off. And so what I did for this this video is I allowed my stove to get a little bit messy, as you can see for this video. I wanted you to see how good this lemon juice and baking soda can clean. And this process right now has been sped up. And so as you can see, I just dipped the corner of the rag inside of the lemon baking soda mix, and I'm just going around and making sure I get as much of the baking soda on my rag as I am cleaning the stove. And then I am just going around and cleaning some more, and right now I'm just rinsing out my rag. Now this is an older apartment complex that I'm currently living in, and so there is physical and visible wear on the stove. And there are spots on here to where they cannot get cleaned. It's just visible wear on the stove. Can you believe how clean the lemon juice and the baking soda is getting on the stove? I'm always amazed, even though I make this all the time, I'm just amazed on how good this homemade, all-natural, antiviral, antibacterial cleanser works. You're not messing with any fumes, and you are getting your house clean. If you have kids, you don't have to worry about having chemicals around them. Now this is good for anything, not just the kitchen. I use this in the bathtub. I use it in the toilet. You can use it on the floor. I haven't tried that, but you want to use not that much of the baking soda if you're going to use it on the floor, because I've noticed sometimes if I overdo on the baking soda, it will leave a residue when it's dried on the sink in the kitchen. So as you can see right now, I'm just going around, and I didn't have to put that much pressure. Now this was dried on food. Was it dried on water that spilt over? I boil potatoes a lot, and accidentally boiled over a couple times, so it worked out well, because I was like, okay, well now I can do my video. So I was glad to let that happen. So it kind of was a little bit tough to get loose. But you just put a little bit pressure, and you don't have to put a lot of pressure. So the baking soda really breaks up all that junk. And as you can see, the physical wear or visible wear of the stove, which it doesn't bother me. It works very good stove for what I need it to do. I'm just going around making sure that I didn't miss any spots. And right there, I missed one spot. This is not a sticky mix. There's no stickiness at all. So I'm just putting back the burners now. And there you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and make sure that you make some all-natural cleaner.